How to transfer Solana from Binance application to Phantom wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can do it. First of all, launch your Binance application and make sure you're logged in. After logging in, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're going to do is simply go to the deposit section, and here you'll be able to find all of this information. So you're just going to head over to the spot, and under spot you'll be able to see this Sol option, Solana. Just click on it, and here you can see this all your spot balance and your spot trade. So you're just going to go on with the process of withdrawal here and tap on send via crypto network. After tapping on it, you need to fill out this form where you need to enter the address from Solana and withdrawal amount. So you're just going to copy and paste the address from Solana from Phantom wallet. For that, you need to have Phantom wallet application installed on your device. After that, just head over to the Phantom wallet application after you are logged in and tap on receive. After tapping on receive, you will be able to see your wallet address here along with the QR code. You're just going to copy or paste the wallet address, or you may just scan the QR code. After that, you just need to head over to the Binance application again, and here on the address bar, you just need to copy and paste the code that we just copied, and you may also scan if you want. After that, enter the withdrawal amount, and your money should be transferred from Binance to Phantom wallet very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.